Consolidated Paper and Cardboard. We have all the top quality corrugated paper products to fit your office, small business, restaurant, or bar needs. Our inventory includes paper towels and napkins, paper cups, coffee sleeves, and our best-selling bar coasters. Our thick, high-quality coasters are heavy-duty and reliable, able to soak up water from the sweatiest, most condensation-covered glasses. Never again will an inconsiderate customer slop down his or her sopping wet glass on your beautiful polished wooden table, ruining the finish with a blatant disregard of the rules. Consolidated's coasters are strong enough to soak up the wet, inconsiderate puddles from the most selfish rule breakers in the world. Here at Consolidated, let's just say it makes us very angry to even think about people not using our coasters when they're right there available for use. In fact, this anger can often feel all-consuming, a rage that starts deep in the chest and is in danger of spilling over into a parade of fury that will blot out the sky. Use a coaster, use a coaster, use a coaster. If we have to tell you this one more time, we'll destroy every wet fiber of your being. Do not test our patience. We will...
Consolidated Paper Company.